So it was really after I got married, I asked him, can you show me how to make tteokbokki? And he took me to Mart and we bought all the ingredients. And the first time I made it, it wasn't very good at all, but I was determined to get much better at it. Okay, let me pause for a second. I think this is the best one I've made so far. 안녕하세요, 여러분. 저는 Vanessa입니다. And today I'm going to show you how I make Korean tteokbokki. So we're gonna start with our gochujang and we're gonna scrape that into the bowl. I like to use gochujang a lot. I've realized watching a lot of food shows, most of Korean spices, they're so diverse that you can use them in multiple dishes. Then we're gonna add the pepper, our minced garlic, or soy sauce, and our sugar. And we're gonna mix until it's completely combined. That's about it. And we're gonna set that aside and we're gonna add it to our broth when it's time. So the second to last prepping item is the rice cake. I like to pre-soak my rice cake. If you have fresh rice cake, you don't need to soak them. And it doesn't matter how much water you use, you just need to make sure it's completely submerged in the bowl. So the last thing that we're gonna soak is our noodles. I'm going to add them in the water, let it soak for roughly 5 to 10 minutes, just like the rice cakes, and then you're ready to go. So to begin, we're going to coat the bottom of the pan with a little bit of oil, onions, and we want them to sweat. Add mushrooms to do the same thing. So as soon as it's soft, and we're gonna submerge our onion, add our seasoning pack. I'm gonna add the entire pack. Add fish cakes. You're going to leave this on medium to high heat and you're gonna allow it to come to a boil, but I don't want to, if I watch it, they say a watch pot never boils. Okay, so it's coming to a boil. Add the gochujang sauce so that it can be incorporated into the entirety of the broth. This would be the perfect time to add tteokbokki. We're gonna stir that around, get it all incorporated into the sauce. Add noodles, work it into the sauce. Then after it comes to a boil, we're going to add in our cabbage, the scallions, Korean peppers, just a little bit. And we're gonna bring that to a simmer. We're just gonna add it all around. Then we're gonna add the scallions and we're going to add our sesame seed. It's really good. It's perfectly cooked, it's not dry. I'll see you next time, everybody.